Well, I'm requested by the MCs that I should summarize what I said into English. Anh có cao bản ở YouTube trong những con là tôi không cái như là tôi giống như là nó chủ đề của anh hết tầm tôi ở trong quảng trị phi nha những là cũng chẳng tiếp thọ như là như là sông của như là miền mùa là như là cái tàu nhằm lệ thiếu mùi ở không có thể diễn tả này cả cho em đã có lòng nhớ lại này vô mà cũng đó anh với cả này YouTube đây như là soi quyền yêu tía em xã chân như toàn với Kevin em xã chân này với siêu toàn với này một buổi tạo điểm chấm phát ở cùng tại thốt thống niệm xích thỏng với anh chia tay giả thôi như tôi công là như xã lý theo phó con của tàu bây giờ dẻo tỏi với chợ lao là nên ta thốt lại gì phải chứ nó sẽ đánh con mất thử đấy anh chia tay mà với Dr. Samuel Chu vậy yêu đây như hải có yêu ba tài là thốt lại gì Again, good afternoon. My name is Kui Choi Chao. I'm here on my left here, Mr. Chan Choi Chao. He also the member of the council. First of all, I just would like to say thank you. It's a great honor to be part of this Iman Kick-Off celebration. It's a new beginning for the Union people in the United States of America. As a former president or one of the founding board member of the Union National Coalition, Union American National Coalition, we are very grateful and very pleased to have all of you to be part or to join us this celebration. Many people were wondering what's the NSC. NSC is a National Security Council for the Union American National Organization. And some of you also question that since we don't have country, why we have to have a National Security Council? I would like to give this answer that for all the union here, everyone need to feel secure. It doesn't matter in what field, in what situation, in what organization. All of us would like to build trust, would like to build respect, would like to have harmony together. So basically, our member or committee is the gatekeeper, or in other words, is the check and balance. For example, if the Iman administration would like to want to propose certain project, and as a council member we see that it's not the best interest of the union people, then we may be able to give some advice to the Iman administration. And also for example, in the past we used to have suggestion, recommendation to dissolve this organization. So this council, we would like to make sure that we are intact as an national organization, so we have a better communication among our union people in different cities, different states. At the same time, we also have the authority to recruit board members to be part, to join the Iman board. We have experienced in the past that some districts or some states, they don't have representatives. So we have to help out with the administration to recruit board members to join the board. Now as a union, we have to be united. Oftentimes we said we have to have a lot of money. We have to have a lot of knowledge. And we're seeking other health and wealth from outside. Actually, the wealth and knowledge are within our community. Since our newer generation, we have so many educators, we have so many entrepreneurs, we have so many younger generation that have all this knowledge, all this wealth, can help us out to carry out our mission. What advice do you have to the new administration? Basically, what Chan Choi and I were sitting at our table will come up something. Actually, today's remark should not be made by me. It should be Chow San Chow. Chow San Chow is our chairperson of this council. Chan Choi said the most important thing is to support local community, to seek funding and to build their infrastructure in the community. The board member from each district, from each state, need to have a better communication with their local leaders. Know their local issues, being understanding, caring, and knowing your respective members' needs. And I'm sure you have many tasks, many projects lined up, but priority for our union is you set the priority straight, so that will help us out. I just would like to conclude that with our best wishes to the new administration. Again, it's a great honor to be part of this celebration, and we wish you all well and success, and thank you for all your hard work to make this kick-off celebration possible. Thank you.